Hello everybody, welcome from HPACR Design Engineering. My name is Tuya Ao. Now, I want to talk about fan motor speed wiring connection. Fan motor consists of two winding, main winding and auxiliary winding. Main winding is also called as run winding. Auxiliary winding is also called as start winding. Winding of the fan motor need to energize for rotation of fan motor. Energize means having the source voltage of line and neutral. Auxiliary winding only energize when creating the torque to start up the motor. Main winding is the winding that energize most of the time. Intersection of auxiliary winding start and main winding end is common C. Auxiliary winding end is connected to one side of the capacitor. Main winding start is connected to another side of the capacitor. The main purpose of capacitor is storing charge. When voltage supply of line and neutral into the fan motor, the charge in capacitor make auxiliary winding to first energize and creating starting torque. Line wire is connected to common C. Fuse is connected in the line wire for protection from overheating. Each button in fan speed switch have spring underneath for push the button to rise up again. Inside the fan speed switch is having the metal plate. This metal plate have a few jagged cuts. This metal plate is pushed right side by the spring. By pushing down the button, the metal plate moves to the left side and slot into the notch. This notch is pulling down the button to not rise up. When you press down another button, the button that is slot into the notch will rise up again. In metal plate, there is no notch for off button. So, when you press down the off button, all other buttons will release from the notch and rise up. Neutral wire is connected to metal plate of the fan speed switch. Therefore, pressing the off button is stop the flowing voltage source of line and neutral by disconnecting the neutral wire. Pressing the low speed button will flowing the voltage source of line and neutral into the respective coil in the main winding. The voltage source of line and neutral will flowing into more coil compared with the medium and high speed. So, low speed is highest resistance on value compared to the medium speed and high speed. Highest resistance on value is making the fan motor to run lower speed. Pressing the medium speed button will flowing the voltage source of line and neutral into the respective coil in the main winding. The voltage source of line and neutral will flowing into more coil than high speed and flowing less coil than low speed. Medium resistance on value is making the fan motor to run medium speed. Pressing the high speed button will flowing the voltage source of line and neutral into the respective coil in the main winding. The voltage source of line and neutral will flowing into less coil compared with the low speed and medium speed. So, high speed is lowest resistance on value compared with the low speed and medium speed. Lower resistance on value is making the fan motor to run higher speed. Thank you very much for watching my video.